In this video, I'll show you how to get the Google Play Store on your Sony Smart TV. Step 1. Check your TV model. Make sure your Sony Smart TV runs Android TV OS or Google TV OS. Most recent Sony Smart TVs come with Google Play Store pre-installed. Step 2. Access the Google Play Store. Press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to the Apps section. Look for the Google Play Store app icon and open it. Step 3. If you can't find Google Play Store, go to Settings, Device Preferences, About, System Update, or update your TV to the latest software version. Restart your TV and check the Apps menu again. Step 4. Alternative method. Sideload Google Play Store for non-Android TVs. Note, this is for advanced users and may void warranty. Use a USB drive to sideload the Google Play Store APK. Enable developer mode on your TV, if supported. Download the APK from a trusted source and install it using a file manager app. This method isn't guaranteed and can be risky. Step 5. Use a streaming device if all else fails. If your TV doesn't support Google Play Store, consider using an external device like Chromecast with Google TV, Amazon Fire Stick, NVIDIA Shield TV. These devices come with the Google Play Store and offer access to many apps. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more smart TV tips and tricks.